Welcome to my farm tour. Follow me. This is my dog, Gunner.
Hi!
And here comes the other one.
Oh!
This is our house that my husband built. It's going to be our little guest house. We're eventually going to build a big house, but it's where we're living for now. This is where my great-grandfather lived. Before we moved here, we burnt it down because it is not livable anymore. So here it lies. Electrical box. Ah! Get her. This is the old garage that was here that we also tore down. This is our grain bin. It's not being used currently. This is our auger. This is a bunch of random metal. This is my garden. Here's a couple of our case tractors. They are my grandpa's.
Oh, it's funny.
This is our
ASMR. Okay.
This is a pool I got for my dog that they just use as a big drinking bowl.
Dogs.
This is my Morton building where we have all my grandpa's tractors. This is a fence we have for our doggies at night so a coyote don't come and get them. Isn't that white? No, don't eat mine. Yeah. And this is my view. The end.